It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey, welcome back, Spirit Boosters. How y'all doing? Just coming on to share some things that are going to be used for the holiday coming up. Thanksgiving and moving on into Christmas too. I bet you guys are, some of you guys have started decorating for Christmas. How wonderful. All the excitement, the decorations, the lights. I think I'm going to put some lights out there on the balcony so my plants can enjoy the festivities too. Well, what's new? You guys heard, well anyway, things still the same at the grocery stores. They got limits. Now, this new thing on Sam's site is them talking about the prices from. Like something could be $3 and they say $3 from. All of this is, I guess, they trying to get you guys used to prices going from what it used to be to something else, skyrocketing. Because the paper plates, I don't even think I'm buying any more paper plates. That's just a waste of money. Them things is $20-something now. You crazy? And we need to wash these busty suds. A lot of stuff has gone up. Stuff used to be so cheap. Now it's basically, you can say unaffordable because it's taking more change out of your pocket that could be going to something else. Especially if you have a bunch of kids, so your budget is busted. Something gonna have to be cut out, or you guys, or some folks just gonna have to get a second job, or they're gonna put the kids to work. Anything to bring in some extra cash in order to keep up with the rise in prices, food, gas, and other supplies and stuff like that. Nothing changed. It's still a threat of food and supply shortages continuing, because now it's heavy in my neighborhood. Before, I was around here saying, hey, it ain't happening over here, we're good. Not so much anymore. Like I say, they changed the wordage on the Sam's Club, talking about the prices from. Where they do that at? It's like you were bargaining, like you at a what them things called? You at a auction or something, and the price you got you got to wave your little flag and say, okay, $5, $6. It's an auction going on from. If let me know if you guys got it reading like that on your big box Sam Club or Costco, whatever. Things are changing, and they're changing fast. They said that Twitter's changing. I seen somebody's video, and they said since this new guy acquired Twitter, the N-word increased 500% or something. They were saying like that. Don't take me word for word, but if I find a video, I'll put it in on my community tab, and y'all can check it out for yourself. But yeah, they said it's a lot of allegedly a racist stuff going on since this new guy. I don't know, because I don't even be on Twitter anymore. I never got a connection with that. Or Instagram. I used to be on Instagram. My account is still there. It's just sitting there from what I used to do a long time ago, constantly shopping, couponing, whatever. It's on there. Yeah, that was back in the day, not so long ago. If this dang gnat don't get out of that gnat don't know I'm about to attack it with one of my yellow stickers, gnat stickers. But yeah, so lots of stuff changing. If you guys are noticing all this stuff, please say so in the comment section. I'm gonna turn this camera around. And if y'all heard about Twitter stuff, y'all heard about Nancy Pelosi husband getting beaten in the head with a hammer. Oh my God. And then they saying the guy said he wanted to bust her in the kneecaps. What the heck is going on? Why are people wanting to hurt people like that? And then, I don't know. Nancy husband, I don't know. I thought he would be, prepared. He know his wife is in a situation. And you got to have some protection by your bedside or something. You don't need to be out there like that. But that's just me thinking like that. But we all need to be protected because what's going down, it just ain't making no sense. Nancy just worked for the people. She just tries to get money to the people that need it. Services, laws change so it could be somewhat equal. What it should be. The rich people want to stay rich, and the poor people, I don't know. It's just craziness. I can't go on and on. I got to share with y'all my little haul, my little things I want to share with you guys. But you guys know what's going on in this world. It's getting crazy. Then they say the Supreme Court, they got on the news, allegedly, do your research because I'm just flicking by. And I see what they saying and I'm sharing. They talking about they want to take away, dang, what is it called? Just had it in my head. The thing where, for the kids that go to school, to help people of color, whoever, underprivileged, unequal university treatment, that program. Dang, why can't they affirmative action? There it is. They want to get rid of that. They got rid of abortion rights, women's rights. That's still mind-blowing to me, how they can just control a whole bunch of men. I don't know if that woman was in, I guess she was. But controlling the privacy of a woman's right to do what she want to do, her own body. How do you get that kind of right? How that makes sense? What kind of country is this? This is not no... Do we like some third world country or something like that where the rules are changed and they want to tell people what to do? What, they going to start beating us and stuff again? I don't know. But if they change and all, I heard, I'm laughing, but I was looking at somebody's video and they said that they want to take away the law that protects blacks from not being slaves anymore. You guys heard that? Let me know in the comments. This stuff is real. Funny, hysterical, but real. And then they saying this new movie, Till, like the Emmett Till, the young boy was 14, was brutally murdered by some white man because I guess he flirted with, supposedly the lady had lied and said that the kid was flirting with her. He was 14 and they brutalized him. If you guys heard of Emmett Till, say so in the comments. But I guess a lot of black kids, they don't know nothing about this stuff. But if they go see that movie, they will be like shocked. Because back in the day, they going to say like black folks couldn't look at white folks, talk to white folks, all kind of stuff going on. And that's history. But how did I get on that? What was I talking about? But anyway, y'all got to do y'all research. Oh, yeah, the affirmative action. Supreme Court taking away all kind of rights. Then they say after that, they're going to do the LGBTQ, where they don't want, I guess, LGBTQ people being married anymore. They all in people business. This is ridiculous. All in your bedroom. All in your vagina. Everywhere. And this is power, y'all. That's power. You can just say, I don't want that woman having kids. I want that woman to have kids. What kind of crap, y'all? What y'all think? Leave it in the comments. But I'm here mainly to be talking about the food crisis, supply crisis stuff, but all this other stuff going on too. But you gotta not overwhelm yourself. Get a hobby. Yep, I got 3 of them. This, the gardening, and my crafting, which I'm gonna get back to And another hobby is cleaning. That's a hobby. At my age, it's a hobby. I see some of these women now. They got these big old houses with 5 billion windows. When you get old, you ain't gonna be able to clean all that mess. You're gonna have to hire somebody if you can afford it. The kids ain't gonna want to do all that. Then you got all this homestead stuff. The kids gonna get grown, and they probably don't even want to have no big family after living in a big family. Sometimes it be like that. But anyway, that's what I see. But as when you get older, you ain't got no strength to be doing all that. I find that out. My birthday coming up. Older I get, look like the weaker I'm getting. Keep reading, stay busy, keep that brain exercise, even the body, because you're gonna need it. And you're gonna also need the comfort of knowing there's gonna be somebody that gonna be wanting to take care of you when you old, instead of stuffing you in an old folk home where you don't know what gonna go. That's what I hear. But be good to your kids, friends, neighbors, in case they be the ones that gotta help you. Don't be mean to people. Be nice. But yeah, look what y'all looking at. This is some Thanksgiving stuff. Y'all got y'all cream of chicken, cream of celery, cheddar cheese, cranberry, cream of mushroom. They sold out the cream of mushroom on Sam's Club. They still ain't got no cup of noodle. Limits, constant lack of supplies over there. They got a lot of stuff, y'all. These, whoever got some money. Now I know California, they just passed out them checks. And I guess a lot of people doing their thing. But even on Sam's Club, when you go to different towns, it's the same thing. They ain't got it. If your store ain't got it, the other stores ain't got it. But it's a mess. If you ain't trying to get in there, you ain't gonna have it. You better go get your seasonings, your poultry seasoning, your sage, all your herbs and spices, salts and peppers. And like I said, these Campbell probably, if that's what you use. And what else I got here? I got this. This one is old. No, this one is old, but I don't use it. I can use it still. But banana puddings and all that stuff for your cakes and pies, cookies, creams, and donuts that you're gonna prepare for Thanksgiving. Like every year, people say I ain't doing all that cooking, but then they pass it on to someone else. But it's a love thing for your family and all to do such a thing. Now y'all see the stovetop. I got the turkey and I got the chicken. My husband, he like eating dressing and stuff. So I got these convenient packages that it's 6 boxes in there. So whenever he wants some dressing, not just for holiday, he like to eat dressing. And I got a couple of boxes of mini rice. I like that because it's a quick dish to fix. And I showed y'all the rice. I got the rice-a-roni. We got some Hormel chili. Got a few of those. Got a few of the stag chilies. Got a few of that Denison back there. Y'all see that Denison back there? That Denison chili. Denison chili. I got the y'all got your mashed potato. Y'all gonna make homemade mashed potato. I got this box up here. It's good. You do it right, it come out just fine. These Idaho mashed potatoes. But yeah, y'all gotta take heed, get prepared, stay prepared, cause a lot of stuff that you don't know about is going on. They got it was some, it didn't slip my mind though, but they got some crazy stuff going on. Oh, well anyway, I can't think of that right now, but this other thing my daughter was telling me, Costco, she seen something on the internet, Costco recalling a bunch of chicken. Y'all heard about that? I ain't bought, the last time it was been a while since I bought the chicken from Costco, so I don't think it's my batch because we ain't been sick. But I guess they new batch of chicken, something wrong with it. Y'all found any turkeys? I can't wait to give me a turkey. I got the, we have, today is Tuesday, but not just because it's Tuesday. My husband said, you gonna make some tacos, not because it's just Tuesday. We just having some tacos today. I got all my fixing. I got my fire roasted jalapenos. I got cheese, taco shell, the meat, the veggies, That's gonna be good. Y'all like sour cream and avocado on your taco? I remember I used to stand sour cream on a taco. But anyway, I just stepped through to share some info, some concerns. I'm concerned about these prices. Talking about from $3 and from $3 on Sam's Club. Y'all seen that? Just say so in the comment section. But I want to welcome any and all new subscribers. And thank you for your support. If you don't watch the whole video, at least use a thumbs up will be sufficient and most appreciated. Okay, y'all? I'm gonna let y'all go because I know y'all just as busy as I am. But I just wanted to come through and share what I shared and see if y'all heard about all the carrying on and the goings ons and the what's happenings. And you spirit boosters that might have abandoned Miss JENITA, y'all come on back here. Quit being anti-JENITA, because I ain't doing nothing wrong. It's, you know, I'm doing what I always done. If y'all are familiar with me, come on back. Let's share the carrying on, goings on, and what's happening going on in this world. We need to all be together as one and help each other out, spreading information, giving some tips, inspiring, uplifting, being spirit boosters, okay? Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Okay, y'all. Miss JENITA busy. I know y'all don't want to hear that song. Y'all do want to hear that song. This is Spirit Boosting Channel. Happy holidays, y'all. And if y'all, like I said, y'all see them turkeys on sale, let me know. Share, ad, or something. I'm going to try and do my best to find something myself. Later. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.